Just don't cover it in cologne. Yeah. Like, dude, I'm starting to trip out.
Jake Carmel, I'm here at Timeless Body Arts, and I tattoo out of Northeast Maryland.
My Instagram has 150,000 followers, and my TikTok has 2.1 million.
Quiet on the set.
He gets angry.
Bobby Douglas. I also tattoo out of Northeast Maryland at Timeless Body Arts. And I have 35K on Instagram, and I have 635K on TikTok.
Matt Vaught from Orange County, California. Tattoo at Newport Tattoo currently. On Instagram, I have almost 20,000 followers, and on TikTok, I'm at 1.1 million.
I'm Christian Crittenden, work at Newport Tattoo in Newport Beach, California. I've got roughly 20,000 on Instagram, 533,000 on TikTok.
I've seen a decent influx of artists. They'll comment and be like, oh my God, it's so relatable. This is so funny. Like, you know, this is awesome. And then you got the other people that are just like, wow, you guys look like clowns. You might see it that way, but honestly, we get to laugh and have a good time all day. So like, if you think I'm a clown or not, it made you comment. Have a good day.
Social media, it was a good way to kind of get my name out there. With that being said, like I gained clientele fairly quickly. With the type of videos we make on social media, it's very personable. So people end up thinking they know who we are, so it's more comfortable for the client to kind of approach us.
It is something that I fought for so long to get on. And then when I did first get on, I was doing the same thing everybody else was doing, just like the little transition from a stencil to a tattoo to like show my artwork, right? Because I'm an artist and I want to be appreciated for my art. But it doesn't work. Everybody else does that already. It's been done and it's played out and it's not personable. I kept being told by clients and friends, you need to show more personality on there. You need to show more of yourself on there. That will make it more relatable. Sure as shit, man. Like as soon as I did, it's just fucking skyrocketed.
I think social media and tattooing is important, mainly because like when you first start tattooing, most of the people will tell you to just post your best stuff, post only your work, don't post anything personal. Your Instagram is mainly like your portfolio, so it shouldn't have anything but your best. That kind of hinders a lot of artists because they don't really show any personality. With tattooing being so watered down as it is, there's so many artists now, it's hard to stand out if you're only posting your work. And a lot of the work that's being done nowadays is regurgitating work from somebody else's. To stand out, it's really good to use social media and show a little bit of that personality so people feel more comfortable with where they spend their money. They're going to want to spend money with somebody they feel a little bit more personal with, someone that they connect with, as opposed to somebody they've never even seen their face.
And way more people are seeing you on their phone than are like watching TV. We really see that at like tattoo conventions. People act as if we are like these TV or movie stars. You know? For me, dude, I'm just taking videos while I'm doing my job. A couple people think I'm funny, I guess. So that kind of helps. I don't think I'm that funny.
It's a really good way for us to educate some of these younger generations on how to be a client, or if tattooing might be something they're interested in, what's the route to take. There's a lot of questions that don't really get answered for a lot of these younger kids. A lot of these artists, like he said, I feel like are doing themselves a disservice by shitting on it or just saying that it's silly. I think that's just, people being afraid of change. The tattoo industry changes every day. The past 10 years, it's been a lot faster. You have to adapt. If you're not willing to adapt to what's going on, you're not going to grow. We're at that point where social media is one of the most important tools to be able to sell yourself as an artist. If you're not using it, you're just going to be left in the dust.
My idols coming into this industry, like they're sort of like fading out because these kids have no way to learn about them unless they're doing what we're doing and getting on TikTok and creating that tattoo content. Unfortunately, like as scary as it is, like you do have to show like your personality. You have to show you.
Not only that, but they get to see the shop. They get to see how clean it is, how much fun it is to be here. And like I said, with the experience, it just, it all culminates to a good time for the client. And isn't that what really matters?